Titan's first quarter results and all of the metrics have and they've delivered a strong set of earnings and all key metrics came in higher than street expectations. The revenue rose over 17% to 13,040 crore while PAT rose about 33% to 1,030 crore. We are joined on the phone line by Naveen Kulkarni, the CIO at Axis Securities PMS. Naveen, quickly just want to get your first thoughts on these numbers. What has led to the numbers beating expectations? And secondly, on the margins at 11%, now that is, of course, 100 basis points year-on-year increase in EBITDA margins. Do you think this is sustainable or is it largely, driven by one-offs?
I'll have to look at the numbers a little more closely, but see, the numbers clearly look very, very strong. If I were to look at the segments, one thing which has happened is that in this quarter, at least, I can see the watch segment EBIT numbers to be much, much stronger, right? So, watch segment EBIT numbers look to be more than 20%. Right? So, whether those are sustainable or not is something which remains to be seen because the watch segment EBIT margins last year were much, much lower, right? Were closer to around 11%. Even Q4 of FY25, they were closer to around 10-11%. But this quarter, of course, the margins have expanded significantly. So, I would say that there is a significant beat in the watches margins. The jewelry margins, I would say that are largely flattish on a YY basis, so there is no significant change. But the growth rate is very, very strong in the jewelry segment, so that is encouraging. Overall, I would say that some bit of margin beat has come on account of the watch segment. Whether that is sustainable or not, something remains to be seen. But it seems to be more likely that there could be some bit of one-offs there.
And if we talk about the gold portfolio and even the jewelry business that has seen revenues rising by around 19%, we have a wedding season that is coming up. So, what is your outlook on the core jewelry segment for Titan?
Yes, so the core jewelry segment is clearly doing very well, right? So, even ex-billion, the number is up by around 17-18%. So I would say that the jewelry segment, there are absolutely, at this point in time, seem to be no challenges. Of course, gold prices are high, which can impact volumes from time to time. But having said that, that also has a positive impact on the margins in the longer term because of the operating leverage benefits that the company tends to enjoy because of the making charges can be as a percentage of revenue, so on and so forth. But having said that, as of now, the jewelry segment looks to be on the strong footing. With the upcoming wedding season, also second half likely to be stronger than the first half. I would say that jewelry segment should continue to do well. Overall, Titan looks to be on the stronger footing at this point in time. The margin beat is inspiring at this stage, considering we've seen challenges across the sector, and the kind of growth that the company is delivering is also quite encouraging.
For joining us and giving us more details. We'll await more fine print on Titan's results as well as the management commentary on that.